Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of table topic exercise, let me grab a table topic for today. The table topic is which activities make you lose track of time? Which activities make you lose track of time? Every day, or like many times, we engage in activity, we do something, and then we just lose track of time. We just in engage too much that we don't keep track of time. Uh, Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad also. Because if you enjoy so much, then it doesn't matter, right? Whether you can keep track of time if you are enjoying every bit of it. So it is better. But there are some activities which it can be bad for you as well. So if I talk about myself, there are few activities which I engage, uh, I lose track of time. For example, the internet browsing. When I sit in front of a laptop and I just keep browsing anything, random things, I just I don't remember how the 1 hour or 2 hour gone by. I just because I constantly just reading something, just opening a new tab, and trust me, guys, this internet is a black hole for me. So in the same way, when you sit in front of like YouTube shorts or like browse YouTube's, you don't remember like where all that time went. So things like that started. It happens, but what I have done is I have created check marks along with it so that I don't keep spending time on it. Another activity, if I talk about, which again, it's when I watch a movie or TV series, it just uh, I keep watching and uh, then I suddenly realize, oh, I have spent 2 3 hours into it. It used to happen a lot, but then again I introduced some check marks. So after 1 hour or 50 minutes, my tab automatically gets closed if I'm watching Netflix or something like that. So these are the certain habits that I'm following. Yeah. Uh, why this is important to know about which activities makes you lose track of time. Again, reiterating, if you are wasting time in these activities, so the goal is to become aware of this so that uh, you can find or identify activities which you should spend time on. Life is not given to you just waste the whole day. So just be aware of it helps. And second important objective is to, when you know these are the things that makes you happy, maybe you like to draw or maybe you like to sing as well. Well, so these are things that keeps gives you happiness. So maybe you can try to do it more often. So this is why it's important to know about which activities makes you lose track of time. Thank you. Over to you.